Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn how to do an amount refund in your Dakis Unified Commerce solution. Before we get into it, there are a couple things we'll want to know before processing any refund in your mydakis account. First, not every user can process a refund. The minimum permission level we need is customer service. Buyers and owners can process refunds as well. We'll need to log in with a customer service account or higher before we can proceed. If you want a full breakdown of what each user permission level can do, we have an all about users and permissions article and video over at help.dakis.com. Second, when mydakis processes a refund, it always goes back to the same payment method that was used in the original transaction. Paid in cash, the refund comes back as cash. Paid by credit card through Dakis Pay, it goes right back to that same card. Now, one more thing before we get into the steps. Of the three refund types in mydakis, the amount refund is the most flexible, but it's also the one that needs the most care to use correctly. An amount refund lets us enter a specific dollar amount to refund without targeting an individual item. Unlike an item refund, where we select specific items to return, here we just enter a dollar value and the Dakis Unified Commerce solution figures out how to apply it. Instead of applying the amount to a single item, the system automatically prorates it across everything in the order, including all the items in the cart, plus shipping charges. Because that refund amount gets spread across all the items in the order, the tax implications depend on what's actually in that cart. Let's look at an example. Say we're issuing a $1,000 refund on a $2,000 order that has two items, one taxable and one tax exempt. The Dakis Unified Commerce solution will split that $1,000 evenly, with $500 applied to each item. The $500 applied to the taxable item will include a tax refund. The $500 applied to the tax exempt item will not. The same logic applies to shipping. If shipping is part of the order, a portion of the refund will be prorated to it as well, and its taxability gets factored in accordingly. The dollar amount we enter is a pre-tax amount. The actual refund issued to the customer will be higher because applicable taxes are added on top. Keep that in mind when deciding how much to enter. Now that we've got that covered, let's walk through the steps to issue an amount refund. Here we are on the home page of our mydakis account. In the left-hand menu, we can see an icon of a shopping cart labeled Orders. Let's click that now. This will open up the Orders drop-down menu. Let's click on the All Orders option from that list. This brings us to the All Orders page. From here, we can use the search bar and filter fields to search by customer name, order ID, line item, and more. Once we found the order we need, we can click the View button next to that order to bring up the transaction details. For a full walkthrough on searching for orders, check out our Orders section and articles at help.dakis.com. Or you can watch our video on how to create an order by visiting our YouTube channel. Once we're inside the completed transaction, you'll notice there is a Transaction Actions drop-down menu button in the top left corner of the screen, right above the Order Details panel. Let's click that now to open the menu and select the Amount Refund option. From here, we'll enter the dollar amount we want to refund. And remember, this is a pre-tax amount. The system will automatically prorate it across all items and shipping in the order, and taxes will be calculated and added based on the taxability of each item. Before we hit the refund button, let's take a careful look at the refund breakdown. We'll be able to see how the amount has been distributed across items and shipping and what the tax amounts look like. Let's make sure the total refund, including taxes, matches what we intend to give back to the customer. Once we're happy with the breakdown, let's go ahead and hit the refund button. Just like with the other refund types, once an amount refund is processed, mydakis creates a new shopping cart with its own unique order ID. It's separate from the original transaction, but linked to it, and we can navigate between the two using the link icon on either transaction. That's it. Now you know how to process an amount refund in your mydakis account. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.